New collector is a very interesting person, a really interesting conversation. So the first part of it is, what are you collecting and why you're collecting it? So when you're curating something, probably maybe one of the first steps is to say, how do I want that collection to look? Yeah? And for most people it takes time. It takes time to put together that type of thought and to put together that type of collection. And so it's not something that is done overnight.
I have only one advice: buy what you like and buy what you can afford. Buy with your eyes, with your heart, and with your money.
Be very discriminating. What you find on the market, new watches and second-hand watches, it's huge. You have a lot of diversity. Spend the time. Talk to people who will actually spend hours and with a lot of passion to explain what they do, why they do it, where it comes from. It's a very interesting world, how to discriminate in this industry. That would be my advice.
Choose selectively. Probably as a collector, go for limited editions. And probably the more limited it is, the better. For instance, the quest of every collector is to have a unique watch.
What I love with watches are watches that last in time. And I think there is nothing more beautiful than when my grandfather, unfortunately when he passed away, but when I could get some of his watches. And now I have to wear the newness that I show now, but if I could, I would wear his watch. So what I would do is to buy the best qualitative watch, the best quality watch possible, to have a chance one day to pass forward. So my advice would be make sure that the watch you're gonna buy will last in time, to give it one day, because it's a beautiful thing.
What is most important for me is that when we buy something for himself, he buys what he likes, and of course think advices, but and to build a collection that there are people they like technical watches, somebody like a chronograph mechanism, somebody's living like day mechanism, and then I think the best is to educate, to read on the internet, the magazines and old books, and to get more information. The more we know, more we are able to build up the collection, which is and I think it's wonderful also that to have a collection which has the past and today. If somebody's, for instance, collecting chronographs, I would collect also antique chronographs and then modern ones. And I think that would be a nice link between the past and today. And taste will develop with antique watches.
In my view, even and particularly when you are a collector, I think that you are looking first of all for the piece that is really talking to your heart. So don't think investments, really think about pleasure, aesthetics, and what you really want to have in your collection that matches your vision, because most collectors have actually a very clear vision on what kind of heritage they want to leave behind in terms of this is my vision of what watches should be. Of course, this is also a business where you can make quite a lot of money by auctioning and making sure that what you buy will always have prestige. But again, I think that in my personal view, personal taste, passion and love should come first and foremost.